Now on to Mexico. In Mexico City, a large protest against the rising insecurity and corruption has now turned violent as mostly Gen Z groups led a massive anti-crime protest after the killing of Mayor Carlos Manzo. Now visuals on your screen show protesters pushing, banging on the metal fences around the National Palace to express their anger. Police soon responded to this with the smoke bombs and tear gas as the demonstrators kicked at the barricades and covered their faces in thick smoke. Now, in terms of casualties, we are given to understand at least one person got injured. He was in fact seen being treated on the ground. Now, viewers, thousands had marched through the city earlier in the day, many carrying Mexican flags and the photos of assassinated Mayor Carlos Manzo. His killing has become a major rallying point at this point. In fact, demonstrators said they were marching for justice, calling the murder vile and also saying that people cannot live in a country ruled by crime. Now, some protesters also urged the government to stop being permissive with drug trafficking and to protect citizens from extortion. One protester also said, "We are here of our own free will and we are tired." This shows you the anger that is growing among the citizens, in fact. Now, this protest was largely driven by Gen Z groups, drawing crowds angry over worsening violence and accusations of government corruption. So those are the major points against which anger is growing: corruption and the rising crime. Tensions remain high outside the National Palace, the home and the office of President Claudia Sheinbaum, after hours of clashes took place between protesters and riot police. So those are the issues around which the anger has now been growing in Mexico: corruption and the rising crime. This is what has led to the Gen Z groups now taking to streets to protest against these issues in the city. In fact, as you can see on your screen, some of the protesters, they are seen